So this gentleman is one of only two people that I've ever wanted to meet that I have not met.
Well, see the opportunity here.
Stevie Wonder will get married in Jamaica in June. To be exact, June 17 at a beach side ceremony. So I am saying to the folks, even if I can't be invited to the wedding, I want to meet him. Yeah. So even if I don't necessarily have to be invited, I wouldn't mind being invited because it says here the guest list is pretty spectacular and there'll be a couple of surprise performances on the night. So I'd like to meet Mr. Wonder.
I'm going to be there.
You are going to be there?
It says the guest list is going to be spectacular.
Well, you must be there. I want to meet him, but even if, as I said, I don't have to be invited, but I want to meet this man. This is the only man, we can't get upon Smile Jamaica.
I think because he's coming to get married, it might be difficult.
But don't Smile Jamaica can go down there. All right, there you go. So Stevie Wonder, this is his third wife. So his celebrity chums include Elton John and Sam Smith, and they are expected to attend. The singer's 9 children, ranging age 3 to 42, will be acting as bridesmaids and best men. Miss Brace is 24 years younger, because Stevie turned 67 next month, but they already have 2 children together, and the youngest, a girl called Nia. She was born in 2014. His most recent ex-wife, she received a chunk of his $85 million fortune, as well as spousal and child support for their sons, Kyland and Mandla. And he had a daughter who sang with him too. What's her name? She sang on one of his songs. And the song that him do, Isn't She Lovely, is him do that for his daughter. Yeah, but what is her name again?
Well,
there you go.
They say
Aisha Morris.
Elton John and Sam Smith are expected to attend. Yeah.
His daughter name Aisha Morris.
Nice.
And he was blind from birth. There you go. What's the next one? Charlie Murphy, Eddie Murphy's brother.
Yeah.
Died from leukemia.
Yeah.
Wow. Only 57 years old.
Yeah. A star in his own right, actor, comedian. He's appeared on the Chappelle Show. He does a lot on Comedy Central.
I don't know him at all.
He collaborated with writing Norbert and Vampire in Brooklyn, in which Eddie starred. Oh, wow.
I don't know him at all.
Funny, real comedic talent. Our Family Wedding, King's Ransom. He's gonna appear in Power later on this year, but yeah, man, Charlie Murphy doing thing.
Unfortunately,
dead at 57 from leukemia. Yeah.